again, welcome back, and welcome to reason 16 for polishing your shoes. I don't do it so much now, but when I was younger I used to like to draw and paint. One thing that I noticed was that if I did a painting once, it might be okay, it might not. If I did it twice, it'd be better. If I did it 10 times, that 10th result, that 10th painting, that would be a lot better. I never did do one 100 times. I may have come close, but by the time you get to those kind of numbers, and you've done the same thing that many times, then you're starting to get somewhere. And reason 16 for polishing your shoes is practice. Practice doesn't always make perfect, but it heads you in that direction. The more you do something, particularly a repetitive task like this, the better you will get at it. And I've been polishing shoes for upwards of 50 years now, and I'm not the greatest at it. I'm not the best you'll ever see. There are people far more skilled. They generally only polish shoes. That's their living or their life. I do lots of other things, but I do like to polish my shoes, and I have practiced it. And hopefully by the end of this little series you will see the result of those years of practice and technique and knowledge. But practice is the thing. The more you do something, the better you will be at it. So, thank you for watching. Reason 17 tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye.